CatchCam is an underwater video camera designed for commercial fishing. Depth rated to 800 meters, it attaches to all types of fishing gear. Turning your fishing gear into an effective photographic studio comes with challenges, but the CatchCam system has been developed to help you overcome these to get pictures that give you insight into the performance of your fishing gear. The CatchCam kit includes protective housings that attach easily to the fishing gear and provide flexibility for positioning and angling both the lamp and the camera. In dark waters, you can add light using the 500 lumens CatchCam lamp. The lamp has a side light and also a front light. Choose from red or white light, brightness adjustment, and even a flashing mode which can double the battery life of your lamp. Additionally, Pisces lights, also by Safety Net Technologies, can be used to light up a target area and act as underwater spotlights. A common problem users encounter when capturing underwater video is poor water clarity. This can be natural, or often it can be caused by the fishing activity disturbing the sediment. In high turbidity conditions, results can be significantly improved by moving the lamp away from the camera. This prevents backscatter from the light hitting the small items in the foreground, and gives better results when filming longer distance targets. For best results, imagine a triangle, with the lamp, the camera, and the target area at each corner. The CatchCam trawl attachment can house the camera and angle it to point at the subject. The mono attachment can be used to house the lamp, and also make use of the side light, which gives a wider beam. Please note, by moving the lamp as little as 1 foot or 30 centimeters away from the camera, the backscatter effect can be significantly reduced. In this example, we've mounted the camera on the headline, looking down and back at the foot rope. The CatchCam lamp is mounted further back on the top sheet, using the side light to shine directly down on the foot rope. It is important to ensure that the lamp is not directly in the camera's view, as this will cause unwanted glare. The further the lamp and the camera are separated, the greater the chance of this happening, so be careful. As well as getting the lighting right, the CatchCam camera also provides a choice of 4 different exposure modes to help enhance your images in dark conditions. Change these settings in the CatchCam app. The low light settings optimize your images depending on whether your subject is close to or far from the camera, and by reducing the recording frame rate so that the image sensor can capture more information in the darkness. The exposure mode settings names are self-explanatory, but for guidance, near refers to a distance of 0 to 2 meters, and far will generally give a good picture from 2 to 5 meters. If the water is exceptionally clear, this distance can be increased to 10 meters, but light dissipates very quickly in water, and clear soon becomes opaque.